In this video, today I am showing you how to delete WordPress website from Hostinger. This process is a quick and easy process that takes few minutes. I believe if you follow this step, your WordPress website delete from Hostinger in few minutes. If you don't already have Hostinger, I will provide a link in the description with the promo code. So you can save money on your Hostinger plus free domain name on select annual plans. Let's start the process. Once you log in the H panel, you will be here on the home page. Click the hosting option. Then you can see your one active website. If you click this option, then you can see your domain name in your website. Click website option. Then you can also see your website domain name. Click the three dots. Then you can see the delete option. Once you click the delete option, you can see the new pop-up window. You need to tick mark the box, then press the delete option. Our job is done. Now you can see your domain name website is deleted. Now if you search your domain name in any search box, then you can see your website not be visible. Just see, this site cannot be reached. I hope you found this helpful tutorial. If you helpful this video, don't forget to like, comments and share. Or if you new our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.